Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to do the front post DC. The abbreviation for front post DC is FPDC, and this is the symbol. The front post DC is worked around the post of the stitch in the previous row instead of using the top two loops. Let us start working. You will understand this better once you see it. Now the turning chain for the front post DC is only a chain 2 because these stitches will be shorter than the regular DC. We will skip this stitch as the turning chain replaces the first stitch. Now yarn over, insert your hook through your work, grabbing the post of the next stitch like this. So let me show you again. So insert the hook in and out, grabbing this post. Now yarn over and pull up a loop and complete the stitch. So this is your first front post DC. Let me show you again. Yarn over, insert the hook through your work, grabbing the post from the front, yarn over and pull up a loop and complete the stitch. Let me show you again. So yarn over and grab your post, pull up a loop and complete the stitch. So this is how we make the front post DCs. Keep practicing the stitch, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the back post DC. Happy hooking!